Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to log in with a Discord token. First, open your browser and go to the Discord login page. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Windows or Command plus Option plus Mac to open Developer Tools. Now click on the Console tab in Developer Tools. Copy a login script that injects your token into local storage. Next, replace your token here in the script with your actual Discord token. Paste the edited script into the console. Now, press Enter to run the script. Wait for the page to reload automatically. You will now be logged in using your Discord token. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.